back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in today. If you don't already know, I'm Okeke Jennifer, a Nigerian based YouTuber. I'm actually based in Abuja, Nigeria. And yeah, today's video is kind of different from every other video I've been putting up lately. This is not a hair tutorial or how to slay wig or how to wear frontal properly or how to mint down the frontal. Today's video is about skin, and I think this is like the second time I'm talking about skin here on this channel. I have been battling with my skin for the past how many months now? I think about 4 or 5 months now. I've been struggling with it because if you know me very well, you know that I used to have a flawless face. Yeah. So I just started breaking out like 3 to 4 months back. Recently a company just sent me some products to review on this channel, and I'm just going to review them. I'll be using this product for 2 weeks. This is the product I'm going to be using for 2 weeks. So yeah, this is how the product actually came, and it came through Night Post. I went to receive it yesterday. They sent me a lot of stuff. I don't know if you guys can actually see. They sent me lots and lots of stuff, and as you can see, I already unboxed it. Like, I opened it because I was curious. I wanted to know what it actually looks like, what their product looks like, because I think this is the first time they are sending me skincare products. So I was just like, oh, let me know what is in here. So in here, the first thing here is their hand bead. Over here, I don't know if you guys can see. The name of the company is Labeaute. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but I'm going to leave the name here on the screen for you guys to see that the products contain 100% natural, or the ingredients is 100% natural. It's fresh, high quality, paraben free, gluten free, virgin and naturally formulated. They also said it's clear skin solution, no more acne or dark spots, with aloe vera and tea tree. I think that's the main ingredient in this product. They sent me like bunch of this. So they sent me a letter. The company sent me a letter, and they were like, "Dear Beauty, I am Laur, the founder of Labeaute. Happy New Year. We wish you our best wishes. You will appreciate this natural product made with fresh aloe vera and tea tree. The natural products will restore, correct, blend, control and prevent acne, dark spots on your face. Do not forget to take pictures before you start using this natural product," which I already did. Thanks for choosing the natural tea tree and aloe vera line as your natural skincare. So in here I got facial bomb fighter, and they also sent me facial cleanser. They sent me facial moisturizer. They sent me facial cleanser. I think they sent 2 of this. Then this is a facial toner, and this is their clear mask. It's a small soap. So first I'm going to be trying their soap. It smells very nice, and it smells like it like mint in it. One thing I like about this product is that it's actually natural, so I don't think I'll be facing any challenge. So like I said before, I'm going to be using this product for 2 weeks, and then after 2 weeks I will tell you guys what I feel about this product, if it's actually good for the skin. So I'm just going to go ahead to wash my face off camera, and I'll be right back. While I was applying it, it wasn't that dry, it was still moist, and then now that I already washed it off, I'm feeling fresh on my face, and my face is actually feeling kind of soft. Moving on, the next product I'm going to be trying is their facial cleanser. Trying it up just to deep cleanse my face more, and then the size is very small. The problem I have with this product right now is that the size is really small, and I don't know how much it costs. It's just 2 oils. I don't know how long this will serve. It looks really small. That's the only problem I have, but it actually smells nice. It doesn't smell bad. The next product is their face mask. So this is what the face mask looks like. It's really small. It's just like a lip balm container, and yeah, the size is 1 ounce. I feel like almost all the products smells the same. That's what I feel. Okay, let's just read the instructions. The first step here is to wash hands, which I already did. Then the second step is to wash your face with tea tree and aloe vera cleanser, which I already did. Then the third step is to measure around half tablespoon of the mask. Do I need that? Like, seriously, do I need that? So the fourth step is to spread it on your dry face with a brush. So I'm just going to go ahead to take my brush to deep inside, apply it on my face. The product is not that bad, it's very smooth. The texture of the product is smooth, but the only problem I have with it is that it's too small. I think I'm going to use this product just once or twice. I don't know how much. I don't know if it's like the sample size or like the original size, but it's really small. Aside from that, I don't feel any itching or any irritation around my face. The only thing I feel right now is like mint. So that's how I'm actually feeling right now. So I'll just wait for it to dry, and once it dry, I'll come back and then tell you guys what I feel about it. I'm going to rinse my face first, and then I will wash off every other part of my face with this aloe vera, the natural aloe vera facial cleanser. So then I'll come back and tell you guys what I think about this whole thing, the clay mask and everything. I find out that this product was actually kind of difficult to wash out or to rinse out. And then I don't know if I mentioned that this facial cleanser actually foams very well. Like, it foams very well. So moving on, the next product I'm going to try out now is their facial toner. I'm just going to smell it and know what it smells like. They all have the same smell. They smell alike, that same mint kind of smell. I'm just going to go ahead to read the instruction on how to apply it. So how to use: wash your face with tea tree and aloe vera cleanser, spray the toner on the wet cotton and pass it to the cotton on your face and neck. One wet cotton if necessary. I just finished applying the facial toner on my face, and I feel like I will have to wait for it to dry a bit before I go ahead with the next product. But right now I'm not feeling itchy, I'm not feeling any irritation. Like, my face is not itching me, my face is just there, feeling like there's a little mint. So moving on to the next product is this facial bomb fighter. I'm just going to take like a little drop on my hand just to apply it where I have like spots and bumps on my face. This is what it looks like it's watery. See the way it's dropping. Still don't feel much difference on my face. I don't feel any difference. I don't feel like I've actually applied something on my face. The only thing I'm feeling right now is that I feel wet, which is normal because the product is actually watery, it's liquidy. So yeah, I don't feel itchy, my face doesn't feel itchy, my face doesn't feel whacked, like my face doesn't feel strange. So yeah, moving on to the next product is the moisturizer, face moisturizer, and it's really small. This is how small it is. From the instruction here on how to use it, you just pour 2 to 3 drops in your clean hand with a help of your finger. Apply the moisturizer on your face and neck, and then massage. So how I feel after applying this moisturizer is no much of a difference. The same mint, I still feel mint all over my face, but my face doesn't feel itchy or irritated. So right now, that is how I feel. So yeah, it's going to be a journey for 2 weeks, and after that I'm going to let you guys know what I think about the product, like the real thing about the product. If there's any fault about it, I am going to tell you guys. Thank you guys for watching this video today, and I hope you like it. If you want to be seeing more of this kind of video about skin, please leave a comment in the comment section and give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Stay blessed.